Hey, sorry for the cell phone footage, but I'm on vacation. I didn't bring all my cameras with me, and I'm standing at the Kingston Mills, which is north of Kingston, Ontario, Canada, where they have these old wooden locks from the Rideau Canal system. And I just shot a little footage, and it's fascinating because these are still operating. There are still boats going through these canals. They're operated manually by people. Here's the top of a lock, and here on the other side there's a crank there, and there's a matching crank here, and if they turn this crank, that'll lift up some diverters which will allow the water into the lower lock. And once the water levels have equalized, then on either side they've got these cranks which are attached to the doors of the lock, and they will pull the lock open, and then the boat can continue on into this lock. Those doors are open right now because the boat just went through. Not sure if it's visible, but right there on this lock is carved 2017, so the lock has been replaced recently, I believe. In addition to being a working historical canal, it's also a tourist destination. And they just let you get right on the locks and walk right over them. The water is running like this all the time. It's not a watertight seal at these locks. Since it's a tourist demonstration sort of thing, they have different kinds of locks. So this lock here at the bottom has this large beam that extends way out, and they open it with this crank, which pulls chains from there and back, and it's looped to this beam, and it will swing the whole door open. So they have different kinds of doors on the different locks.